Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the magic bullet. Okay, so right here we have everything we need. We have the magic bullet itself. We have a mug that we can use to put our fruit in, vegetables in, and grind it up. And then the blade. So now that we've looked over the magic bullet a little bit itself, we're going to go into the fruits. So your first step is going to be to choose your fruits and vegetables, of course. And so today I'm going to try something that I haven't tried before. And I don't even know if it's normal to try, but I was like, hey, this kind of sounds good. So I have my banana, my pear, a few cranberries, and some spinach to get those greens. So what you're going to have to do first is chop up some of your bigger fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to have to cut up my pear and my banana into smaller slices. Okay, so once you have your fruits and vegetables cut up, all you got to do now is just throw them in the mug. And as you can see, I already put my spinach and cranberries in there because they didn't need any cutting. So I just cut up my half of pear and my full banana, and I'm going to throw them in there. See how it goes. Alright, so I put everything in there, and I was kind of shocked to find that I didn't even use a full half of pear. I only used about a quarter of a pear. So make sure you plan accordingly and use the right amount. It's kind of hard to tell until you put it in there, but whatever. And then what I also forgot to mention was that you need some sort of liquid in there. And I really like using orange juice, so I'm going to use orange juice for this one also. But you can use whatever, you think fits. So let's put a little bit of orange juice in there. Alright, let's use that magic bullet now. Okay, so your next step is you're gonna take this lid off. It's on there, so like when you're ready to drink it, you can just put it on there. But right now we don't need it on there, so I'm gonna take it off. And then what we want to do is we want to screw this blade out of the top of it. So it works just like this lid, and you just put it on there. Make sure it's pretty tight, but not extremely tight. Alright, that should be good. Now, our next step is to put this on there. Now, you don't want to lock it in right away. You just want to set it on there for now. And then, I always keep mine unplugged, so I'm going to plug it in now. Okay, so let's plug it in and blend this thing up. Okay, so mine's pretty good, but if you have to, you can pick it up by the base and shake it while it's on to get, the stuff that maybe didn't go all the way down to get it down and blended. So I'll show you that even though I don't really have to. Alright, now all you want to do, unplug it. Pull it up. Alright, so we got our gross looking concoction here. I'm gonna unscrew that blade off the top. And put this lid on. And then you can just drink right from that. And I'll tell you how it is. Okay, so I just tried this, and I gotta say it's pretty good. It smells as good as it tastes. So, I definitely recommend this recipe. Remember, it's 1 banana. I'd recommend like a 1/4 of a pear, a handful of cranberries, and a handful of spinach. And yeah, blend it up, and you got yourself a treat. Healthy treat. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a like, thumbs up it, same thing. Subscribe if you'd like to. I could always do more of these things. And yeah, leave it in the comments. Tell me how I did. And yeah, go make yourself this smoothie.